Hello friends, welcome back to Reubens channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my previous videos. Thank you for your support. Today I'm playing the game Asphalt 9. Let's get into the video. Apparently this is the game like Asphalt 8, which is much better. And I have a brand new model, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution with armor on it. Yeah. I played more games of these. We're back to San Francisco, and I will get a blueprint of Nissan 370Z at Nissan. Yeah, and apparently there's me. Why am I at last place? Okay, I need to hold it. Oh, here we go. The Nitro boost. Oh, let's go this way. I love going this way. Right we go. I mean left we go. Let's kill this dude. Yeah. Let's game for the let's aim for Nitros. Yeah. Who will ever know what Nitro does? We're going for it. Oh yeah. Just for 32 seconds. I just won the first race. Now we get the Nissan 370Z Nismo. I don't think that's the name of it, but in real life I don't know. It's a Nissan GTR. Rise of the Legend, the new map. Let's go about the discover new map. My hands are ready up, as you can see. Okay, now this is the BMW racing. Okay, we're going for double, because we are doublers, aren't we? Hey yo, you're a BMW? Oh, I am as well. Oh, a swirling hit. Oh, what? How am I doing this game super well? Okay, my game is lit. Okay, my game is lit. My game is lit. Oh no! Oh no! No! I finished in second place. Yeah, give me all the 10 blueprints. I can unlock this vehicle. If I unlock that, I can get the Nissan. Hey, at least we can unlock our brand new Nissan. I'm so excited. And the Shell Camry if we have one. Give me the money. I'm gonna upgrade your legs. La 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 la. Time to upgrade my core. See, we're gonna like season D this time. Oh, I'm ready. I'm gonna unlock all the season D cars. I don't know. Win the race? Oh, I'm up to that. Am I competing? Oh, when the first I thought I'm competing. What network start this? For me? I don't know. Okay, let's just ignore this message. Oh, that's much better. Let's hit for the ram. Wow, that's cool. Oh, why did you let me do this? I'm doing regression. I'm in third place. Am I? I'm second. I'm in third. Oh, I'm in fourth. Ayo, I'm in third. I'm in third. Still I'm in third. I don't care about your mysteries. I just want to win the race. I'm in first place. Let's go. Let's go. Well, whoever wants. Okay, I'm taking that. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look how clean that is. Look how clean it is. I don't want to look. Oh, look how far they are from me. Oh yeah, Buckaroo, Bucker dance. Yeah, buddy. Let's take the booster. Oh, we're taking. Oh, that's a cool finish. Yeah, we're like Class Z. I look multiple minutes. Okay, I'm being a legend. I am a legend. Legends have better vehicles. Like there's 2 players in Nissan and 2 players in a supercar. I mean 3 players on a supercar. Oh. 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 This is my first time playing multiplayer. That's what you all have seen my channel. And this is my first time seeing multiplayer. Yeah, this is the last game. It's on it, baby. Yay! I'm happy. Wow. Oh, it's me. It's Mario time. That's what Mario says. I'm in 6th place. I'm almost at last. Oh, I'm in 4th place. I'm in 5th. Oh, I'm in 4th. What is it? We're heading for the mountain. We're heading for the temple. Oh, let's get for intro. I'm all ready. Oh, I'm all ready. I'm in position 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't get to do the. Oh no. It's okay. Nitro. I want to get the nitro. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I don't know which one it is. I'm just confused. Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare do that. Oh. Yeah. Back to my overworld. Back to my old overworld. Back to my new overworld. Why? Well, just like that. I didn't get last, but I got 5th place. It's okay. Well, thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.